Hello friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we sign in or register with the Costco app. So let's get started. Once you open the Costco employee app, you will get this page. Here you need to click on the sign in or register option, and after that you will get this page. Here you can see you can add email address and password if you already have Costco account. Otherwise you can create account. Click on this. Now add your email address here, add your password here. Now again you have to confirm your password. After that you have to click on the create account option. Please wait for a few seconds. It is creating your account, and here you can see your account has been created on the Costco. So now you can choose this app for your preference. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.